So today we're going to be doing a really cool experiment with rocks. We are almost at the end of our unit for rocks, and so we're going to finish it off strong. And today we're going to test to see if these rocks float to the top of the water or sink. Sink means they go all the way down. Did you know that there are some rocks that float and some rocks that sink? Yeah, our Earth is full of different rocks and minerals that are so special. Some sink, some float, some shine, some help us write with, some help us build things with. They are amazing. So I'm going to take you down to my desk and we're going to start this experiment. Now, if you're at home, you are in luck because you get to do this on your own with any of the rocks that you see around your home. Just like Miss Cardoso has those rocks in her backyard, you may be able to find some amazing rocks too. And if you do, make sure you show us here on Schoology, okay?
Okay, friends, so we have these 3 cups of water. And I didn't fill them all the way just in case that we need some space for the rocks. And so I have 3 different rocks that I would like to show you. And I want you to tell me, what do you see? Yeah, this one's beautiful. These are all from Miss Cardoso's very special rock collection. So this is the color brown, you're right. And if you look at it very closely, you can see that it has holes in it. So let me ask you, if you were to touch it with your fingers, what do you think it would feel like? Yeah, it's not very smooth. It's actually very, very rough. And is it small or big? Well, it fits in my palm, so it's a pretty good sized rock. It's not very small. And then we have this one. It's another good sized rock. If you feel it, there's not a lot of holes. So my finger glides very smoothly across the surface. It glides smoother than that one right there. So it's not as hard, the texture. It's not as rough. It's a little softer, but it could be smoother. And it's a good sized rock. What color is it? Yeah, it has colors of, we see white. We see yellow, kind of goldish, brownish. And then we have this one. What color is this one? Yeah, it's a darker color, black, some gray. It's a lot smaller, that's for sure. It's a lot smaller than these 2 friends over here. And it does have some rough edges, but those edges that are straight are very smooth. The only thing is this one didn't break evenly. That's an interesting rock. Is this rock gonna sink? Or this one? Or will this one float? Time for our experiment. Okay, friends, so first cup. Do you think that rock is gonna sink? That means go all the way to the bottom of the water, or float, stay closer to the top. What do you think? All right, let's try it out. What happened? Is it at the top? Nope, it's all the way at the bottom. It sunk, it's right there. That's just the reflection of it. All right, so now let's try this one. Ooh, this one looks like has a lot of different holes. Maybe it could float. What do you think, friends? Is it gonna sink or float? Oh, it sunk all the way down. What about this one, friends? Do you think this one's gonna sink or float? What do you think? All right. It sunk! Friends, all of these 3 rocks, they sunk because they have properties that their rock is more dense than the water. That means that it pushes all the way down thanks to gravity, and the water comes up.
So those are some cool experiments, right? Now, what I do have here in Schoology is some more videos for you to watch some other amazing properties of these rocks. We don't have access to all the rocks in the world because there are so many beautiful rocks and gems and minerals. So I'd like to share these videos with you so that we can keep learning some more about rocks. Bye, friends. Have fun.